Hello everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we will take a quick look at the Arcus services page. Head on over to arcus.mil. If you cannot reach the site, there may be an issue with your certificate, but we have resources on this channel and on our help site for addressing certificate issues. If you need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to submit a support ticket. The links to these resources are in the video description down below. But if your certificates are in order, click Sign In up here. Here, you will see the services and CollabTools enabled for your team, represented by one of these handy tiles. To access whatever it is you have enabled, whether it's Concert, or Confluence, GitLab, or Jira, simply click on the corresponding tile, and it will open in another tab. For those of you using Concert, the name of your default project will appear underneath the Concert logo. Now, if you are a team manager, you will see a Team Manager tile, and we will discuss how to manage your team services in the next video. Until then, if you have any further questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, to our help site, and to our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.